Today I've got some simple ideas on how to answer part 1 questions and a model answer on the topic of sleep. So our first topic is sleep, and the typical questions that you will get here are the following. How many hours do you sleep every day or every night? Do you think it's good to have a nap during the day? A nap is a small sleep. Did you sleep more in the past than you do now? So let me take one of those. Do you think it's good to have a nap during the day? Stop, give me your answer. Okay. Do you think it's good to have a nap during the day? Okay, now listen to 2 answers using different answer types, the yes but and the yes otherwise. Okay? Yes, I do think it's a good idea to have a small sleep during the day, but if you sleep too long, you can end up feeling groggy and tired for the rest of the day. Yes, it is a good idea to have a nap. Otherwise, you're going to feel really tired for the rest of the day. Okay, so you can go back and listen to those answers. And I suggest you listen to the question and try and make your own answers with yes, but, and yes, otherwise, Great. If you're awake and you like that, please do subscribe and turn on the notifications. Look forward to seeing you soon. Bye-bye.